Hi friends, my name is Abhiman Bhattacharjee and again I'm back with a new video. As you all know, I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. Okay friends. In our last video, I covered the topic called misconception about spirit communication, and in this video I'm going to cover the topic called why some people fear spirit communication. And friends, do subscribe my channel, like the video, hit the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get a notification. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video, so if you come sequence wise you will understand in a proper way, as this is a 60 number video. Okay friends, so I will start. Okay, date is 9/6/1981, 9th June 1981. Why some people fear spirit communication. I will start. This is the name of the topic. Uh, Gone. Uh, I will start. Okay. One are the gods. One are the days. Gone are the days when superstition ruled our lives. Gone are the days when people thought only mad people spoke to spirits. Gone are the days when it could be proved that the one who claims to have spirit communication is genuine. Now, on the earth, many scientists, psychiatrists, and even parapsychologists who are doing extensive research on spirit communication are able to prove their work is genuine. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshid Bhavnagri that these days are gone when people used to tell that I am communicating with the spirit world, and they used to fool people and take money. But now are the days where many of the research scientists who do the spirit communication, and through their journals they prove that yes, I did the spirit communication and this is the proof. They just show the proof to us. There are many stages, phenomena for which no scientist explanation can be found, and one has to believe ESP, parapsychological and psychic phenomena. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshid Bhavnagri that there are many stages of research where people prove us what is correct and what is wrong. Scientists, some fool even doubt the existence of the spirit world or whether it is true that we are soul. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling there are many fools who even doubt the presence of the spirit world, and who even say that no, there is no spirit world, and they basically believe in one life theory, right? The only what is this, then everything comes to an end. Some extraordinary fool even asks such a stupid question as, are you sure there is a God? So here some Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri that even there are such kind of fools also, those who ask, is God really there? Is God there? So even they do not believe that God is also there, so they do not trust in God. But God is there, spirit world is also there, and spirit communication also happen. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. Some people are very anxious to learn more about spirit communication and want to go deeper and deeper into such matter. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagri that some people are there who are very anxious to know about spirit communication, how it happens, how the spirit world functions. They want to know each and everything about spirit communication. For some, it is compulsion to know, so they try hard to find out all about spirit world, about death, birth, previous life, and so on. So many people are there. They want to find that does spirit world exist? What are the? Is it a myth or is it a truth? Or what is death? What is life? So they have many questions. So they need to find it out. People on earth are always looking for solid proof for everything. Their limited mind cannot take this without proof. So, people on the earth always need a proof that if I want to trust anything, I need a proof. So, their limited mind without a proof cannot trust anything. And it is almost impossible to establish proof as only a few have this God given power, through others are happy to imitate them and earn a fortune by fooling innocent people. So here it is very difficult to prove others because many some souls have this power to communicate with the spirit world, and other who intimate this power by taking this power, and they try to fool each and every person. This has made it hard for many to distinguish genuine people from frauds. So there are many people who fraud people in the name of spirit communication. So it's very difficult for people to know who are really doing spirit communication and who is fooling other people. Some think it is evil or bad to delve into supernatural. So many people think it is bad. It is bad to do. It's a supernatural thing, and it's very bad to do. We may be injured by harm, so by negative souls. But it is sheer ignorance to think like this. Some fear that their guilt and sins will be discovered by the spirit being, so they discourage others. So many souls think that if we start doing spirit communication, whatever mistake we did in our life, it will be revealed to other soul. So better not to do that. Evil people do not like these ideas, nor do they take any interest in them. So those who are bad people, they do not like these ideas, and even they do not take interest in all these topics. Some are brainwashed by their parents, priests, or teachers, so they actually curb their instinct and refuse to take risk. So many, as you may heard in the Nina story, when Nina was brainwashed by his mother. So many souls are even brainwashed by their mother. This is wrong. You should not go. This is very dangerous. So friend, this topic comes to an end. So today we covered the topic called why some people fear spirit communication, right? So in our next topic, we will be covering the topic called why you choose to be born on earth. Okay. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making this full book in each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand. And friends, do like my channel, like the video, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so whenever I update a new video and you will get the notification. And friends, I am also giving number to each and every video, so when you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4, as this was a 60 number video. And you can also connect me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. Okay friends, so this brings to end of this video. So have a nice day, be blessed, be happy, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and stay blessed friends. Okay, goodbye.